Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to add pop-up form to a button in Elementor and save data to Convertkit. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So guys, in the Elementor, just simply go to templates and go to pop-up, and after that, just simply click add a new pop-up. And from there, just simply choose a template, or you can just simply design your own pop-up and design based on your preferences. And after that, just make sure to integrate your Elementor with ConvertKit. So just simply go to Elementor, Settings, Integrations, and a ConvertKit. And after that, just simply enter your ConvertKit API key and just simply click Validate API key. So guys, if you don't know, API key will be located on your profile. So just simply go ahead and click on your profile on the top right over here, go to settings. And after that, just simply scroll down and go to developer over here. And after that, you should be able to see here your API key. And now guys, after that, just simply add the ConvertKit to your form. And so in the Elementor editor, just expand the actions after submit section. And after that, just simply click the plus sign and enter the ConvertKit and just simply choose it from the drop down menu. And from there, guys, just simply use the drop down menu to map the ConvertKit fields to the form fields and just simply provide the necessary information. And from there, in the edit form panel, just make sure you collect submissions is active. And after that, another option that you have, guys, is you can trigger a pop-up manually. So in order for you to do that, you can just simply edit the element and go to advanced and go to CSS classes or CSS ID. And from there, just simply give the element a class name or ID name. And from there, in the pop-ups conditions, choose the page that includes the element. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.